Previously, we touched on the remarkable capabilities of our physiology and the body's built-in mechanisms that trigger healing and sort of self-generated medicine, such as endogenous antioxidants. This recognition is a key component of holistic health sciences. Contrary to popular understanding, not all medicine comes from the outside alone. The body's own capability is fundamental in this. For instance, reputable sources recognize that it can neutralize oxidative stress with endogenous antioxidants, such as its self-generated glutathione. Let's explore this. Glutathione is a powerful antioxidant composed of 3 amino acids: cysteine, glutamine, and glycine. It is found in every cell of the body and plays a crucial role in protecting cells from oxidative stress by neutralizing reactive oxygen species. Glutathione amino acids are non-essential, but can become conditionally essential under certain conditions. This means that the body can produce sufficient amounts under normal circumstances. It is also recognized that glutathione antioxidant properties protect mitochondria, the powerhouses of the cell, from oxidative damage, indirectly influencing ATP, energy currency. So, why is this relevant to spirulina? Although the body's mechanisms are at work, a well-balanced diet and precise nutrients can be beneficial under certain conditions. And spirulina may be considered a precision nutrient. Spirulina contains all 9 essential amino acids as well as glutathione. In addition, it is understood that individuals involved in high-intensity physical training increase the production of reactive oxygen species, ROS, and need to follow a well-balanced diet that satisfies their requirements for energy, macro, and micronutrients in order to maintain an optimal redox state and avoid potential immune dysfunction. Kapha and others, 2022. The emphasis on recovery through diet and plans is a common thread shared in holistics. Additionally, in ancient disciplines, several plants and polyherbal therapeutics support more precise nutritional and medicinal requirements. Spirulina falls into the superfood category like moringa. In this segment, we briefly touch on the blue-green algae called spirulina from a holistic view, specifically in the context of its nutritional value and medicinal actions in sports and recovery. Reputable sources recognize that reactive oxygen species, ROS, are highly reactive molecules that contain oxygen. They are natural byproducts of processes in the body, like energy production. While they can play a role in signaling and fighting infections, too much ROS can cause damage to cells and tissues. ROS are indeed highly activated after intense exercise. When engaged in strenuous physical activity, muscles consume more oxygen, which can lead to an increase in ROS production as a byproduct of cellular metabolism. While excessive ROS can cause oxidative stress and damage cells, the body also has mechanisms to manage and counteract this stress, including antioxidant systems that help maintain balance. And this is where the gut plays an important role in creating self-generated medicine, such as endogenous antioxidants. Further, regular exercise can enhance these protective mechanisms, ultimately promoting better health and recovery. Subsequently, spirulina is associated with improving redox status, fatigue tolerance, and hemoglobin level. Sinatova and others, 2024, detail that spirulina, Arthrospira or Limnospira, belongs to the phylum Cyanobacteria, previously known as blue-green algae, which is one of the ancient types of living organisms on Earth. In particular, it is associated with Mesoamerica in ancient times, as used by the Aztecs. The name excrement of stones was given to the cakes of spirulina by the Aztecs. Today, spirulina is fairly well known, and other holistic sciences, such as Ayurveda too, recognize its nutritional and medicinal contribution in natural human health and well-being. And, Kapha and others 2022, suggests that based on anecdotal evidence, certain Olympic teams have been taking spirulina daily for many years and have performed better. Next, we consider the nutritional value of spirulina. Spirulina is a source of high-quality protein, 55 to 70%, carbohydrates, 15 to 25%, dietary fiber, 8 to 10%, fats, 6 to 9%, and minerals, 7 to 13%. It contains numerous vitamins, pigments, chlorophylls, carotenoids, and phycocyanin, and phenolic compounds and spirulina proteins are highly digestible, 85 to 95%. Podgorska Kryszczuk, 2024. According to Sinatova and others, 2024, spirulina contains all 9 essential amino acids, and non-essential amino acids include alanine, arginine, aspartic acid, cysteine, glutamic acid, glutamine, glycine, proline, serine, and tyrosine. Additionally, the protein value of spirulina is comparable to that of meat sources, soybeans, and Chlorella vulgaris. In terms of its polyphenols, these include flavonoids, phenolic acids, and tannins, which are considered to be the most important contributors to plants' antioxidant properties. Similarly, Kallela et al. 2022 suggests that innate and acquired immunity have both been reported to decline temporarily in the hours following strenuous exercise by up to 70%, basically giving an open window for opportunistic infections. This is an important consideration, as it suggests that intake of supportive foods and liquids during the open window may be helpful overall, as opposed to a lack of. Due to its natural chemical composition and the food matrix effect, spirulina is associated with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It may help alleviate fatigue as part of a well-balanced plan, thereby indirectly improving stamina and endurance. Frequent levels of fatigue can reduce stamina by making it difficult to perform physical or mental tasks effectively. When a person is fatigued, their endurance decreases, which can lead to quicker tiredness during activities. Lastly, here is a study-based example of spirulina and its potential on fatigue. Johnson and others, 2016, examined the impact of spirulina supplementation on mental and physical fatigue in men. At 3 gram per day dose, limited by duration, the results indicated that spirulina may help alleviate fatigue, suggesting its potential to enhance endurance and overall performance. Remember, spirulina cannot be viewed in isolation, and it is entirely dependent on suitability as well as a balanced approach. Spirulina may not be suitable for everyone. Overall, spirulina may be a valuable addition to a personalized, balanced plan due to its potent nutritional and subsequent natural medicinal actions. Subject to suitability and individual health status.